Hoodies with no drawstrings have been super popular. Wintertime is around the corner and we're getting ready for it with Tape B by sourcing and supplying Made Blanks hoodies. The fabric is really, really nice. These hoodies from Made Blanks are very well made. Once the garments were custom dyed and delivered here to Garment Decor, we screen printed the front single color and the back multicolor. If you have a similar project in mind, send us an email, info@garmentdecor.com, or call 855-942-7636. My team and I are here to support you.